Hey everyone, welcome to the Blender Nexus YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create spotlights in Blender. Whether you're working on a city scene or just want to add some dramatic lighting to your renders, this video will show you step by step how to set up and customize spotlights that will really make your scene shine. Let's jump in and get started. First, go to Factors and click on Bloom. Then select this light and increase its emission as desired in the shader editor. Then add a cylinder and move it upwards. Go into Edit mode, select the vertices above it and make them smaller. And take it very close to the light. Then right-click on the cylinder to shade smooth and go to Textures to add a new texture. Then go to the Scene panel and click on Screen Space Reflections, and inside it also click on Reflection. Then go to the Shader Editor and delete the Principal BSDF and add the Mix Shader, Emission and Transparent BSDF nodes. Connect them together like I'm doing. Change the color of the emission to your liking. I will keep it a little yellowish. Then go to Textures and change the Blend mode to Alpha Blend. Then increase the Mix Shader factor as per your requirement. I will adjust it according to my scene. As you know, the color of our spotlight is yellowish. If you want, you can also make the color of your light yellowish. Then go to Factors, click on Ambient and change the bloom values to your liking. Then go to the Shader Editor and increase the emission strength according to your scene. After doing this, I will make my spotlight a little smaller from the bottom. As you can see, our spotlight is ready. Now you can adjust the settings as you want according to your scene. You can also apply the same settings I am doing to your scene if your scene looks similar to mine. That's it for today's tutorial on creating street spotlights in Blender. I hope you found it helpful and are excited to add some realistic lighting to your own scenes. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be on my way now. Don't forget to practice and keep improving. See you in the next video.